Hey everyone, today I was getting a little work done with my extension cord and I made a little mistake. This is a problem and I need to get it fixed. Extension cords are super expensive to buy, but this is actually a quick and easy fix. I'm going to show you how to do it. This is really simple to do. First off, you're going to need a new plug for it, which I got right here. It's one of my favorites. You're going to need a good multi-tool to help us clean up the wires. You need our tape measure and a screwdriver. Links to all these tools, found right down here in the description. All right, the first thing I'm going to do is take my wire cutters here. Put them right down here on the bottom just like this. I'm going to go ahead and cut this wire. All right, next I'm going to cut about 1.5 inches of this outside housing off, just the orange part here. We're going to cut that off. Now, you can just bend it, and the housing slides right off. Next, we're going to take about 5/8 of an inch of insulation off each of the 3 wires. This is really easy to do. Again, with the multi-tool, this is a 14 gauge wire. Just going to squeeze it on and rotate around. Now I'm just going to take each wire, just give it a little twist there to bring it all together. Now that our wires are prepped, it's time to grab our plug. We're going to remove these 2 screws here to open it up. Now you'll notice you see a brass screw on this side. On the other side we have a silver and a green screw. These are very important. On the brass side, we're going to take the black wire. This is our live wire. Goes into the brass. I'm going to stick it straight into that hole there. Then we're going to tighten the screw down. On the other side here, we're going to take the white line and it's going to go into the silver screw side, just like this. Then we'll tighten our silver screw down. And finally, the green, which is our ground, is going to go into the green screw here. So I'm going to take it down into this spot. And then we'll tighten the green screw down. All right, now our final step is going to be close the plug up. We're going to tighten these screws back down. And there you have it. Save yourself some money. Don't buy a new cord, just fix the end. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give us a thumbs up.